Wenzhou Mwellpack Glue composite paper tube labeling machine. This machine is suitable for plastic bottle, glass bottles, paper cans, paper tube, and other round container label with glue or both ends of the coating. Imported PLC control system, easy replacement cans, and the label. Do not change any mold parts. Just adjust the label unit and can positioning, and set data on my machine interface. Put the label into the label unit. Photoelectric automatic detection, feeding, gluing, labeling by the machine automatically completed within a second. PLC automatic temperature control system, so that the glue has always maintained constant temperature. Temperature accurate to 0.1 degrees. Set the temperature automatically. Start the built-in insulation program to save more than 50%. The thickness of gluing can be adjusted to 0.05-0.15 ohm. The non-improved sizing system is in favor of saving the usage of hot melt adhesive and completely solved due to a cardboard cut caused by uneven glue. 3 into a round labeling system, roller dots imported high-temperature fine silicone. Label and cans attached closely and labeling a smooth and beautiful appearance. Even large diameter, soft thin thickness wallpaper tube can also very good labeling continuously. PLC control system, easy to operate, and the feedback speed of the system is more than 2 times faster than different circuits, and increase the automatic preheating, overload protection, specification, and other functions. The real operation of intelligent, the function of automatic cool down, automatic discharge without manual tube removal. Pipe can be automatically discharged, automatic conveyor. Capacity is 2 times of manual remove tube models. Feed clutch imported from Japan. Mickey clutch, bearings imported from Japan, and SK bearings. Further improved paper feed accuracy and service life. Our intensive steps means that alloy developed independently is currently the most reliable and the most effective means of preventing double sheet.